Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to minimize any open apps to their respective apps icons showing in the dock of Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me open one application, say calculator. Now whenever I click on this minimize button, now it will get minimized to the dock but not in the respective apps which I have opened. So you can see on the right side it's minimizing here. So I want this open apps to minimize to the respective apps icons. For this what you need to do is to just open the system settings, and now on the left side just click on this desktop and dock. Now under the dock option you will see here minimize windows into application icon. So by default this option may not be enabled, so you need to turn it on. Now you can just close it. Now let me reopen the calculator application, and now let me click on this minimize button. Now you can see the open apps is getting minimized to its respective application. So if I click on it, so you can see here, if I click on this minimize button, so you can see it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily minimize any open apps to their respective app icons showing in the dock of Mac computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.